In the heart of the wild, silence speaks louder than words.
The king rests, but his presence commands the entire savannah.
From the skies, nothing goes unnoticed by the sharpest eyes.
Even the fiercest hunters begin their journey with innocence.
Stealth and power move through the shadows of the dense forest.
Strength lies not just in claws, but in the unity of the pack.
Nature has a sense of humor, creating faces that tell 1,000 stories.
Colors in the wild are not just for beauty, they are a signal of identity.
Life in the canopy is a delicate balance of agility and grace.
Bonds are forged in moments of quiet care and connection.
Intelligence is the key to survival in a world that is constantly changing.
Sometimes, we see a reflection of ourselves in the eyes of the wild.
The earth trembles when the giants decide to move.
Joy is universal, even for the largest creatures on land.
Standing tall, they witness the world from a perspective few can imagine.
Ancient armor protects a legacy that has walked this earth for eons. In the open plains, raw power is the only law that matters. Beneath the calm waters, a formidable force lies in wait.
Beauty can be deceiving. Sometimes, the brightest colors hide the deadliest strike.
Like dragons of the modern world, they carry the history of the past.
The rainforest sings with colors that paint the sky.
Patience is a virtue, especially when your next meal depends on it.
Hidden in the mountains, rare gems of nature thrive in solitude. To survive is to adapt, blending in until the moment is right.
Where the land meets the sea, life finds a way to flourish.
Graceful strides turn the shoreline into a canvas of pink and blue.
Resting by the water, preparing for the next flight.
Curiosity and playfulness keep the spirit of the river alive.
In the deep blue, the silent ruler patrols his vast kingdom. There is safety in numbers, a mesmerizing pattern of survival.
Every rustle in the bushes is a signal to be wary.
Moving as one, the herd flows like a river across the land.
Even in the coldest winter, life endures with quiet resilience.
Balance is everything when you live on the edge.
Survival is a daily challenge when the world turns cold.
Wisdom watches from the shadows, seeing what others miss.
Stillness is the ultimate weapon of the ambush predator.
Small and swift, they are the heartbeat
With a little help, no obstacle is too high to climb.
Adapting to the forest, every creature has its unique skill.
Flightless but fast, ruling the open grounds.
Nature dresses in its finest attire to impress.
The pulse of the wild beats in the thundering hooves. As the day ends, the night brings new rulers.
Legends are born in the fading light of the sun. This paradise, this home, belongs to them all.
The story of the wild is an endless circle of waking and sleeping.
Discover the world. Discover life.